Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today's date is 4th November 2020. So, as you know, we have left one chapter from the part 1 book. So, we are going to start that particular lesson today. So, let us open the part 1 book, lesson number 8, I Am the King. So, we will start with this lesson. So the main objective of the lesson is to be able to read the lesson with correct pronunciation. Then we have the learning outcome. After the completion of the discussion and explanation of the lesson, we will come to know that there is a very beautiful moral. After explaining the lesson, you will come to know that we cannot feel happy by hurting others. We can feel happy only with love and peace. Therefore, this means that whenever you hurt someone who is close to you, it might be a friend or it might be any member. So, what happens after the fight? Or what happens after you hurt that particular person? You feel bad, right? Suppose I have hurted one of my close friend. Okay, I have fought with my close friend. Then what will happen? I am going to feel sad. I am going to feel guilty. And I will think why I have fought with my friend. I am not going to speak to her with whom I am going to share my feelings, my emotions, my secrets, right? So, as soon as we fight, that means we have broken our relationship. Okay, so therefore we must not fight or we must not hurt one another. Instead of that, we should always live in love and peace. With that, by living with love and peace, we will always be happy. We will always feel happy and there will be lots of positive energy within ourselves. Therefore, this is one of the very beautiful message that has been given in this lesson. Now let us move towards the listen and say aloud. So before going to the reading part, let us read these words. So here we have some words starting with the BL sound. Let us read this out. So BLACK, that is black. Then BLINK, blink. Now how does the BL sound pronounce? So BL sounds as blur, black and blink. BL means how does it sound? BL as blur. Then we have the words starting with the BR sound. That is BREAD, bread, and BRICK, brick. So bra. How does the BR sound? Bra, bread and brick. Then we have the words starting with the CL sound. CLAP, clap, and then CLOCK, clock. So here CL sounds as claw, clap and clock, claw. Then we have the words starting with the CR sound. CROSS, cross, and CROW, crow. So how does the CR sounds? Craw, cross and crow. So BL sounds as blur, BR as bra, CL as claw, and CR as craw. So black, so blur as black and blink, bra as bread and brick, claw as clap and clock, and craw as cross and crow. Now we have two warm-up questions in your book. So the first one is it good to fight with your friends? Why or why not? I have already told you that it is not good to fight with our friends because we feel sad. After a fight, do you feel good or bad? Obviously, we feel bad, right? Because we lose our friends and we are unable to share our secrets, our emotions, our feelings with our friends after the fight. So definitely we are going to feel bad. Now let us read a story about a boy who happens to meet the great King Ashoka one day. So first we are going to read the lesson, and in my next class I am going to explain the story to you. So let's start reading the lesson. It is a bright and beautiful morning. Chand has taken his sheep to graze in the field. Can you help me? Chand hears a voice. He looks around. He is surprised to see a man with a crown on his head. Are you the great King Ashoka? Asks Chand. Yes, I am, answers the man. How do you know me? Everybody knows you, says Chand, but you had died many years ago. Then how can I see you? King Ashoka tells Chand that he is visiting the earth as a ghost. Please don't be scared, says Ashoka. The king asks Chand to show him the way to the forest. Chand agrees. On the way, King Ashoka tells Chand many stories about his life. He describes how he once saved himself from a lion with just a wooden rod. You must have felt very brave and strong after saving yourself from the lion, says Chand. I wish I could be a king like you. King Ashoka says, when I was young, I used to think that the one who wins a fight is brave. One day, I learned that this is not true. Weak people fight wars. Strong people live in love and peace. We cannot feel happy by hurting others. We can win and feel happy only by loving others. So, I stopped fighting wars. Chand thinks about it. The king is right. Chand agrees that he always feels bad after fighting, even if he wins. Suddenly, Chand wakes up and realizes that it was a dream. But he promises himself that he will not fight. He will become a real king. So this is, go through the lesson, read the lesson properly, and it is a very simple and beautiful story. There are a lot of things that you will learn from this lesson. So I hope you're going to read it properly with correct pronunciation. Now let us move towards the new words. So here are some of the new words that you will get in this lesson. The first word is graze. Graze means when animals eat grass or other plants. So when you see, suppose here, when we go into the village area, you can see that there is a large open field and all the cattles means the cows and goats and buffaloes, all the animals are grazing in the on the field. That means they are eating the grass and other small plants that are on the field. This is called graze, when animals eat grass or other plants. Then we have the next word, which is ghost. Now ghost is a very familiar word to you. Whenever it is dark, whenever you feel lonely, it seems like, oh, somebody is looking at me, somebody is there. That means you feel like that ghost is there. And especially our grandparents tells us stories about ghosts, and they tells us don't go out at night near the big trees. Why? Because the ghosts reside there, right? Because then what is a ghost? A dead person who comes back to the living world, and everyone is afraid of ghost. The next word is weak. Weak means not strong. The opposite of strong is weak. That means not healthy enough, not eating food properly. That means he is weak. Then we have the next word, which is peace. When there is no war or fighting, means when everything is so quiet and calm, then it is called peace. When we fight, when there is war or fighting happens, what happens? There are explosions, bombs, there are lots of sounds, crying of the pain, crying of the people, animals, right? So these are the part of the violence, okay? But when it is peace, peace means silence. That means everyone is living happily and peacefully. Then the next word is realizes. Realizes means understands. Okay, so these are very simple words with simple meanings. Try to memorize these words and with along with the meanings, and write these new words in your copy, in your English copy, along with their meanings. This is your homework for you. I hope you will submit these new words in the Google Classroom on time. So here I am going to end my class. Thank you.